Congratulations on getting your house into contract. But before you start celebrating, let us talk about the contingency period. Join us as we break down what contingencies means and how they affect your home sale. From inspections to loan approvals, learn how to navigate this crucial phase with confidence. Watch now for expert advice from me, the Suma Sridhar, the real estate broker and realtor in the Bay Area with the tradition of excellence. Hi sellers, we are officially in the contract and that is because of our excitement. But before we celebrate, let us dive into the nitty-gritty of the contingency period. So, what exactly is a contingency? In simple terms, it's a condition that must be met for the final sale to proceed. And trust me, there are few hoops to jump through. The three major categories of contingencies are inspections, appraisal, and loan approval. During this period, buyers have the opportunity to conduct thorough due diligence on the property. From home inspections to pest and roof inspections, they are leaving no stone unturned. Now, let us talk about the timelines. Contingency periods typically range from 7 to 17 days depending on what is negotiated between the buyer and the seller. And here is the kicker. During this time frame, buyers have the right to back out if they are not satisfied with the findings. As a seller, it is essential to understand the implications of contingencies. If the home doesn't appraise for the contractual amount, the buyer may need to come up with a difference or negotiate with the purchase price. So, hold off on packing those bags until all contingencies have been removed. Once contingencies are cleared, you can breathe a sigh of relief knowing that the home sale is on track. So, hang tight, stay informed, and let us make this closing happen. Once again, this is Suma Sridhar, real estate broker in the Bay Area with the tradition of excellence and integrity. If you do what you love, people love what you do. Thank you so much for checking on it and make it a great home buying and selling day. Have a best sale in your market.